everybody, this is Mike with Need Apple Tech, and as of right now, as you can see, located somewhere in the woods. Okay, now by me just enjoying my time, all right, you're gonna see exactly how I'm gonna still be able to do stock trading. I'm also gonna be able to do a lot of things while still sitting here. So currently right now, I showed you where I'm located, where I'm about to pick these stocks. All right, I'm in a more comfortable spot. I'm actually manifesting in my success and thinking about positive, great things. All right, so we want to go ahead and whatever brokerage that you're using, if it's Stash, if it's Robinhood, or if it's any type of other brokerage, you want to go ahead and just pull it out right now. I actually got some picks for you. All right, now again, this is just a word of advice. These are picks that I'm picking. You don't necessarily have to do these picks. If you do follow by these picks, just make sure that you do your research and see exactly what's going on, so that way you can make the right decisions. All right, so currently right now it is 12:17 p.m. Central Standard Time. Currently right now we're gonna do some loading up on ticker symbol BNGO. All right, so again, ticker symbol BNGO. So let's go ahead and do it right now. BNGO. All right, perfect. So currently right now, let's see. I said bingo. I don't know why I did autocorrect. We don't want to know bingo. I mean, you want bingo, but that's not what we're looking for. All right, perfect. So as of currently right now, so perfect. So we wanted it in the 7s, but man, it has jumped to the 8s. So we definitely want to go ahead and try to jump on this now. So let's see how much buying power we have. So in total, we're gonna have 3 different plays that we're gonna be working in. So currently right now, if I looked at personal portfolio, I'm just gonna look inside my personal account just to see how much we actually looking at. So we're maybe looking at about, looking now, so currently $37.57. So $37.57 divided by 3, it's going to be $12.52. So let's go with $12.52. All right, purchase. It's just once. Do it weekly, things of that sort. But I'm going to go off of cash to invest. You can pull it from your bank account, or you can pull it from your Stash banking account. But I'm going to go ahead and just pull it off my cash to invest, this order. Very, very cool. And the reason why I'm going at a good steady pace, just showing you how very easy this is. All right, so just take your time, just do exactly what I'm doing, and make sure you do your research. I've already done my research, so I know exactly what I'm doing. So let's go with QCOM. Perfect. And then from there, we want to do big loads on this one. So currently right now, I'm going to go with personal. And that amount is going to be, let's go with 1252, and just once. Very, very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Not hard at all. And as of currently right now, voila, now I got those pending. So if I just went ahead and scroll down a little bit, let's make this a little bit bigger, you're going to see what's inside my portfolio. It's going to be pending. All right, let's go ahead and click on show. All right, pending. So let's just look what's in the green. We have 10.88, 3. Nike is down right now, but it's okay. That was a free stock. That was a free stock. All right, that was a free stock. Free stock, and so on. So as you can see, a lot of these are in the green. Okay, a lot of these are in the green. So just to let you know, if you want to see what my stock picks are, look at it. Here we go right here. And as of right now, I'm going to put a little bit more inside Dropbox. Dropbox is doing excellent right now. So let's go ahead and buy a little bit more. Let's go with $4. And I'm giving you great pound for pound information. Please go ahead and put a like button right below. And followed by that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell so that way you never miss a beat when I drop gems on great information and ticker symbols that's going to be doing great. All right, again, always make sure you do your due diligence. Thank you very much for tuning in with me. This is Mike with Apple Tech. Stay tuned for the next episode.